guys, what's up? So it's me again, and I'm back in July. Today's July 19th, 2012. And yeah, I'm back to let you guys know that I broke my power chains again. And yes, I broke my power chains again. And I know you guys are tired of me saying that I broke my power chains over and over again, but over this past weekend, couple of days, I was on a road trip and I was eating the whole world, and I was just eating everything that I can get my hands on, things that I was not supposed to be eating. I think what caused them to break was the almonds that I was eating, because they collect like right by the power chains, and it just broke. You know, what is a girl's gonna do? A girl's got to eat, right? But you know, that was bad of me. And that's what happens when you eat anything you can get your hands on, things that you're not supposed to be eating while you have braces. So if you do not want to be like me, coming back and forth to the orthodontist, you have to eat what they tell you not to eat. But because I live really close to my orthodontist, great, I'm really grateful for that. It's okay for me to spare that. Like me coming back and forth to the orthodontist. So if you do not want to end up in my shoes where I have to come back at least 2 or 3 times a month changing my power chains, which can be you know, waste your time. Like if you live like an hour away from your orthodontist, or you live like 30 minutes away from your orthodontist. I live really close to my orthodontist. You have to eat what they tell you not to eat. But I'm here today and I got it fixed, and I recorded, and hopefully I got better angles from the last one that I got, because I try to get better angles so that you can actually see them take them off and take them out. Hopefully I got better angles so that you guys can see how they take them off and on. And this time around, because last time when I came, they only took out a part of this side, but this time around, because it was broken on this side, they decided to take everything out. So the whole bottom power chain got changed, and hopefully I caught that on camera. I recorded, and hopefully I got better angles, because I try to get better angles so that you can actually see them take them off and take them out, and you know, show the instruments that they use, in case you know if you're thinking about getting braces, or you have your braces and you've never had your power chains. You've never had power chains before, just to give you an idea of what it's like, and you know, just to show you that it's not really painful, because as you get closer to your treatments, things don't hurt as much. You don't have a lot of pain with changing your power chains. You don't have a lot of pain with putting them off and on. But I remember when I first got in the beginning of my journey, my braces journey, changing my power chains off and on was gave me quite a bit of discomfort. I remember in videos where I would say that it hurt like hell and things like that, but at this point in my braces journey, things don't hurt anymore. Nothing. It's not painful to put on my power chains, not painful to take them off. So that is a good thing. That's something to look forward to. Just stick in there and everything will get better. I mean, your body has to get used to what they're putting on your teeth. So that's what's going on. So here's the video later, and here's the video. Enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, comments, and concerns, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you later. All right, bye.